not to get injured. How not to get injured. Where during physical injuries, oftentimes we are so focused on what an athlete's body is going through that we completely forget what their mind is carrying. For most athletes, an ACL tear is like their entire identity slipping away overnight. And that is exactly where our thought section comes in. It acknowledges the part of recovery that no one really talks about. It gives our athletes a safe space where they can share their ideas, understand their emotions, and realize that recovery isn't just physical, it's emotional and deeply personal. At Athlyze, we do not just focus on their injured knee, but the whole athlete itself, and that is what sets us apart. Now, let us see what Mr. Bineet has to say about this feature.
So when going through a journey like this, it's really tough because no one understands you, you feel like that, and no one really truly cares about what you're going through. But sharing your insights and sharing your thoughts really makes a difference on the day-to-day life about what you're going through and how you have to deal with this job.
But if he was using our app during his journey, this is what his dashboard would have looked like. We have divided recovery into 4 phases. Each phase has specific assessments assigned to them by their physical therapist. After completing that, they'll have to upload a quick training video that will be analyzed and approved by the physical therapist. Then they'll move on to the next phase. But before that, they will also have to answer 5 short assessment quiz to check their readiness. We also have a consult section where they can schedule a video call with their physical therapist. All the past meetings and progress are saved in the log, and the report summary is sent to the coach so that they can stay in the loop. When asked about this feature to Mr. Terrence, this is what he had to say.
Yes, it actually helps the coach get more involved and get more understanding. Usually the coaches are out of the loop with the in-depth of, the injuries, but it means that we have an athlete and a doctor, physical therapist, system attached along with the coaches. And the coaches are more able to see what's in there with the process of the athlete.
Now, these are some features that I have not touched yet. This is a physical therapist dashboard. This is mostly important for the athletes in rural areas who do not have the luxury of an in-person appointment. Instead of waiting weeks and weeks for an appointment, they can just schedule a video call. Next, we have the coach dashboard where they can see their athletes' progress, their recovery, from assessments to recovery. Everything is available in their dashboard.
Now, let's talk about the tech stack. For the front end, we have used React, and for the styling, we have used Tailwind CSS. For the back end, we have used Firebase, and for the AI and motion tracking, we have used Media Pipeline. Working at an IT company, I have realized how privacy and security is important. So for that, that's why we designed Athlyze with a privacy-first mindset. So the media pipeline that we use it detects our 33 body landmarks, in which 0 to 10 is the facial one. So we have Athlyze will not use or store any facial points, so that your facial identity is never captured, not stored, or not even shared. And that's how it works. Let's talk about the future plan. For the future, we have decided we want to integrate it as a wearable integrations. And we also want to have a partnership with medical centers and all the educational institutes. Also, this is the one that we want to implement is AI-powered ghost overlay for real-time moment comparison. So, and these are some references that we took the data from. And saying that, before I end our presentation, I would like to thank Nexus for organizing this event, Zazes for giving your valuable time to evaluate us, and ULM for allowing us to represent them. Saying that, I'm Nishu Shrestha.
I am Divya Shah.
I'm Ritika Bista.
I am Unika Bista.
And
we are Team Athlyze.
Thank you so much.